It's always traffic jam because it's the city. Awarute utala traffic jam. You go see bakery, they might be open. Bakery, they might be open. Don't show what you're drinking juice because they'll see it's so cheap and they buy it in bulk and you come like this, nothing finish. hide your food. Because they'll see, ooh, very cheap. They're gonna buy in bulk and there's less stock. Yeah, and they don't tell why it's less stock because the people from other countries saw that it is very cheap. Lelo re me bang kong binsar to may tonga kona eso itonga nga Samoa orto barta kami norto supermarket bintu kina frubu they bought in stock. Orto volia mai viti ni cheap. America ngori sole virto. They saw, oh, Fiji, it's cheap. They bought in stock and the stock ran out. Man, you have a lot of frubu in Tonga. Yes, from Fiji. Don't show what is cheap. Somewhere there, just see. Don't show what you're drinking, that it's very, very cheap here in Fiji. Why are you going here? You go sideways, you can see from the back which shops are there. Here you can't see anything properly. You go from the other side. Here is no turn here. This is a kapak. I told you so. You go this way and come from the other way.